This method is generally the most wrong way for creating a spotlight effect. Open the image that you want to edit. Now, create a new layer. Now, select the polynomial lasso tool from the panel. Now, make a selection of spotlight or follow as shown in the video. Press Alt plus Delete together. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and Field Blur. Follow the video now. Wait for the process to complete. After completion, create a mask on the new layer. Select Gradient tool, and check the colors. Create a path using the tool as shown. And, here we go. We have successfully created spotlight effect.